If you look at the top 1% and you want to paint with a broad brush, there are two groups of people up there. About 2/3 of people in the top 1% are employees, people who have sort of ordinary jobs, and many of those work in the finance sector. So lots of people up in the top who work in banks and get effectively paid wages. The other big group at the top are people who work for their own businesses. And again, roughly half of those are people who work in professional services partnerships. So think accountants and lawyers. And about 10% of people up there are people who work for their own companies. So company owner managers. And if you want to think about how much tax these people pay, then taken as a group as a whole, the top 1% of adults get around 15% of fiscal income. So that's income that you can see on a tax form effectively. And they pay around 30% of income tax and national insurance contributions combined. Big picture, that group get a lot of the money, but they also pay a very large share of those two income taxes.